Good morning everyone, this is Shreyasi Dhumre. Today we will see practical number 2, fundamentals of decision control structure. In that, the aim for the experiment is to demonstrate the use of if-else structure, nested if structure.
Let us try to understand the if-else statement. If we have two groups of statements in which one is true and another is false, we use the if-else statements. The keyword if tells the compiler that it has to make a decision. The syntax is as follows. The condition can be specified by relation operators. In C, we have relation operators as greater than equal to, less than equal to, etc. If the condition inside the if is true, the statement within the if block is executed, else the statements within the else block is executed. Let us discuss the nested difference. The if condition inside another if else condition is known as nested difference. If the condition inside if is true, then we enter the next if condition. If this condition is true, statements will be printed. Otherwise, if it is false, then this part of the statement is executed. If this condition is false, then directly the program will jump in these part of the statement.
Practical number 2, fundamentals of decision control structure. In that, experiment number 2, to demonstrate the use of conditional operators. Conditional operator. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator because it needs at least 3 operands. This is the syntax of conditional operator. Here, condition is specified in question mark. Expression 1, colon, expression 2. This statement goes like, if the condition specified here is true, then expression 1 is executed, otherwise expression 2. Here we consider this example, y is equal to x is greater than 9, 100 and 200. If this condition is true, the y is assigned with 100, otherwise 200 is stored in y.
Practical 2, fundamentals of decision control structure. The aim is to demonstrate the use of switch case. Now the theory as follows.
Let's see what is switch. Switch comes under the category of decision control structure. Now let's see the syntax of switch. Switch, we have to write switch followed by expression. Expression may include any string, integer or character which is written in double quotation. Then it consists of multiple cases, that is from case 1 up to n, and there are statements, that is multiple statements. The expression which is written on the switch is compared with each of the cases. If it matches with any of case, then the statement written under that case is executed. Otherwise, the statement which is written under default is executed. Now let's see the example of switch case. In this, we have assigned the value 2 to integer d. Here, there are 2 cases written, that is case 1 and 2. This value 2 is checked with each of the cases. In this case, when 2 enters in switch, that is in place of expression, the statement which is written under the printf is executed. But in this we can see that we have not written break statement. So if we want that any one of the case should be executed, after end of each case we have to write break. That is after first case, then after second case. Now it will check 2 with case 2 and the statement which is written under printf will be executed. If by mistake user enters the value which is not present in any of the cases, for example, if user enters 4, then it will check with cases. If it doesn't match with any of the case, then the statement which is written under default, that is wrong choice, is executed.